Okay. Come. Then if you have it all the way up,
see Iron Man?
It's gonna be creepy.
Whoa.
I need to collect enough gold. Can you give me some gold to unlock this place?
Go up there. Go up there.
I know you're using platforms.
Go to
I'm
the
not
top.
using platforms. See, I'm on the bed.
Go right here. Go right here. Right here. Right here.
I'm not using platforms.
Okay.
I am.
Ready?
I need to collect
Ready to
enough
drop
gold
you.
to unlock this place.
Okay, sure. I'll give you gold by entertaining you, okay? Come. Come.
That does nothing. Black, can you give me enough gold to unlock this place? I can't unlock
you
it.
have it too?
Yeah, I need to unlock this place, guys.
Yo, you got
Like, someone help.
Guys, how do you see how many things
I
you
need
have?
to
So you can
unlock.
buy something.
Look, I'm not even lying. Look, I can.
Guys,
My
how do
platforms don't
you
work
see
for
how
some
many
reason.
skylights you have? How do you see how many
Dude,
skylights you
Black,
have?
can you give me enough gold to unlock this place? Can't unlock it. How'd all of you guys get to unlock that, but I haven't unlocked it yet? I need more gold. See?
Is that Daisy or not?
What do you mean you can't unlock it?
I need to unlock it. I don't have enough gold. See, I'll even do this. See?
Bro, it's not even
Look, I can't do it. It says I need enough gold to be able to unlock it. Someone just give me some
How
gold.
much does it say?
Give me some
How
gold.
much does it say?
A
Give
billion.
me gold, man. No, it doesn't, bro. You're lying.
It says a billion gold. Look, I can't go in. I'm not using platforms. Look. I can touch the top. And I'm doing that. I can push myself.
Guys,
I'm touching the top. I'm touching this.
I'm not using
guys,
that. Look.
how do you see how many points you have? Like,
And I
so
can't
you
even
buy
press
right
this.
here. Where?
It's right here.
See?
You have
I don't.
700. Oh.
I need a billion gold to unlock this.
Wait, what? How do you do that? How?
I need $5. Hey, I'll give you gold.
Someone please give me some gold. I need a billion for this.
I will.
How? Like how though? Like how?
There's a billion gold.
That's a million.
No.
Yeah,
no.
how many?
I'm leaving. I need more
You don't
money.
have to have I got a billion. Look, a billion right here. 2 full hands.
Oh, he does.
Guys, I need to unlock shop. I need a billion gold for it. It won't let me unlock it.
It's just skill.
Someone help. I need to unlock shop. I need a billion gold to do it.
What?
What? I need to unlock the shop. I need a billion gold. Look, I'm pressing these. I'm not floating. See? Look, I need to unlock it. Someone help me. I need to unlock this. Black. You.
Come on, get it.
Can you help me? I'm
Hit
not
it.
using any
Try to hit
platforms. I need to unlock shop. It's a billion gold. See, look. I'm pressing my buttons. See, look. I'm pressing it.
Bro, look.
Whoa, I need help. It's not unlocked yet. I need to unlock shop. I'm not using
Bro, how do you
platforms.
guys get in there?
I need to do it. I don't have any platforms, see? No platforms. I need to unlock this for a billion gold. I'm not even joking. Someone help me. I need enough gold.
Help, bro. I'm not stupid, bro. It's a glitch.
I ain't glitching. It says I need a
Anyone hear me?
billion gold.
Yo, Black.
Huh?
Let me ask you a question.
Huh?
So,
Nah, bro.
do I sound like a girl tag YouTuber?
Yeah.
Like, it could be just anyone.
Like
Who
a
does sound
really
like?
good.
What?
Who do I sound like?
I don't know,
K9.
but you sound like one I've heard before, but I don't know its name anymore.
Oh.
Bro, someone
what's
give me
your
a
name?
billion gold. I need to unlock shop.
How do I sound like K9, bro? I don't sound like K9. I know,
Someone give me a billion
What?
gold. I need to unlock shop.
People are saying that I sound like K9. I do not sound like K9.
Bro, my arms are extra small.
No, fine. Here's a billion gold. Bro, mine are too.
My
Mine are
arms
too.
extra small.
Look.
That's a million.
Extra small.
Can someone give me a billion gold? I need to unlock shop. Can someone give me a billion gold? I need to unlock shop.
Everyone's frozen up leaving.
Can someone give me a billion gold? I need to unlock shop.
Oh, you're not frozen anymore. You guys are not frozen.
Hey, Purple, can you give me a billion gold? I need to unlock shop.
Take this. Take this.
How did you unlock it?
He's coming. He's coming. He's coming that way.
I need to unlock shop.
I see it.
Do you actually not have shop unlocked?
Right now.
No.
I got the fudge.
Go into it. Like, do this.
900 bananas. That is stupid.
I need help. Can someone help me unlock shop? It's a billion gold. Look, can you help me unlock shop? Black.
Go do only up. Only up, guys.
No.
Only up.
Can you help me unlock shop?
Yeah, just
Only
all
up.
up and on.
Only up to heaven.
Can someone help me unlock shop? Can someone help me unlock shop?
Be obvious.
It's a billion gold.
How? How did I get that? How?
Day
I got
one.
the new bar.
Hey, Cyan.
Got this game.
Cyan. Can you help me unlock shop?
The
Can you help me unlock shop?
week of the game being out.
That's your name.
Yeah.
Can you help me unlock shop?
Bro, I just
can't-
got this game.
It's
Do you think
it's
I
for
know?
a billion gold. Look,
because every
I
game
can't
is
go
like
in
this.
it yet. I can't go in it yet.
I never.
Look,
this is my
I
only
can't-
game that
I
have-
can't
Guys,
unlock
go in
shop
only
yet.
up. Go on.
I need a billion gold. See? Hey, can one of you guys give me a billion gold? I can't unlock this yet.
Why do you need a billion gold to get in here?
I can't.
it's like
it won't let me. It says I need a billion gold.
Bruh. Well, that's too bad. Gold is not the in-game currency for
Look.
this. Gold.
I need a billion gold, guys.
Dude, he must be trolling. He must be
I'm not trolling. Look, I'm not using mods. I'm pressing.
Wait, I see a barrier. There's a barrier right here. But it's
There's a
only for
barrier
gold.
here for me. I can't.
It's wait,
It says
what color is
right
it?
on the
What color
barrier
is it?
that I can't unlock it yet until
What color
I get
is
a
it?
billion
What color
gold.
is the barrier?
Blue.
What color is the barrier? Blue?
Yeah,
Oh.
dude. I need a billion
You're
gold.
lying.
See?
Take a nap
Yeah,
then.
mods.
Take a
Yeah,
nap.
mods. Yes, Matt. He has
I'm not
mods.
modding. I'm
He's
not
mods,
modding.
he's
See?
mods. Leave him
Then
alone,
why
leave him
did I
alone.
start? And I didn't have that, huh?
Explain.
I don't know.
Long arms.
He's
Does
modding.
anyone have long
He's
arms
modding.
in this game?
See? I'm not
Yeah,
modding. See?
Yes,
I
you
found
are.
a way how to
We're
get the
modding.
mod menu without
I'm not
paying.
modding, dude.
You are.
This is my first time starting, dude.
When I first started, it didn't have this.
Well, for me, it's happening.
Well, that ain't true. Wait, I see a red barrier. I saw a red barrier when I loaded in back in. See?
How do I
Right there,
do
you can
that?